It's the most wonderful time of the year. Hello, my friends. Hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to on. It's Christmas time, my friends, and you know what that means? It's cookie season. So to kick off my Christmas series, I'm going to show you how to make orange creamsicle cookies. If you're a fan of orange creamsicle from your childhood like I am, OMG, y'all going to love these cookies. These are the bomb.com. They're going to be so delicious, full of orange creamsicle goodness. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. So grab your orange, your butter, and put the Christmas music on, sugar, because we're about to bake some orange creamsicle cookie magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl I have 1 stick, which is a half a cup of unsalted butter salted, and a half a cup of butter flavored shortening. And we're going to add in a half a cup each of white and packed light brown sugar. And we're going to cream this until it's nice and fluffy. Alright, my friends, next we're going to add in 1 egg at room temperature. Going to blend this in until it's nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, next we're going to gradually add 2.5 cups of self-rising flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda that's sifted. Blend this in until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing up the cookie dough. Alright, that looks great. So next for the final ingredients, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of orange zest and 2 cups of white chocolate chips. Gonna stir that together. That looks good. Ooh, I love the smell of orange. And the white chocolate represents the vanilla ice cream into the orange creamsicle. And it's also a great recipe to make with your kids, and this would be a great recipe for a beginner baker. Alright, my friends, now we're ready to put them in the pan. My cookies into a long 9x13-inch cookie sheet that I lined with parchment paper. So using my spoon, we're going to take a little of the dough and put them into 1.5 teaspoonsful. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my cookies and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I got all my cookies together, and this recipe makes about 12 to 24 cookies. So now we're ready to bake them. We're going to bake it in the preheated 375-degree oven, and we're going to let them bake for about 8 to 10 minutes. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. My friends, it smells incredible up in here. It smells like orange creamsicle. I taken my cookies out of the oven, thought they looked good, and look at the white chocolate chip. They look amazing. Alright, so now we're going to let the cookies cool for a few minutes, and then I'll plate them up. I want to share with all you my Christmas platter. Doesn't that look gorgeous? Alright, our cookies is nice and cool. Now we're ready to put them on the platter. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Orange creamsicle cookies. Mighty tasty. Ain't nothing like the smell of fresh baked cookies. Alright, so now I'm going to pick me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, here we go. Look at that. Oh, these are so delicious. Look how nice and chewy they are. These definitely bring me back to my childhood eating the orange creamsicle. Full of orange flavors. Love the white chocolate chips in it. Your whole family would love these orange creamsicle cookies, my friends. This deserves another bite. Cookie-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed the video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.